son very kindly dropped us off so we could get our flight back to Phoenix. And everything's been canceled. And we're not very happy. They said they could get us out tomorrow night at 10. That's not good.
Yeah, what does that mean for you guys? Where are you going to stay? What are you going to
Well, we're going to sleep on the floor, I guess.
I'm here stuck at the airport. They were supposed to get my luggage back. I've been looking since last night. Luggage is nowhere to be found, and just stuck here. Christmas was just ruined. This was the worst Christmas ever. I wish it was not like this.